How to activate Trend Micro on iPhone. Step 1. Open the App Store and search Trend Micro Mobile Security Application. Step 2. Tap Get, then tap Install in the prompt to proceed. Step 3. Once it's done downloading, tap Open, then tap OK to allow notifications. Step 4. Click Accept in the License Agreement prompt and tap Done. Step 5. When the following screen appears, select the mobile security icon on the top left, then tap Buy/Activate. Step 6. To activate, tap Use Activation Code, fill in the activation code, and tap OK. Step 7. Now, fill in the username and password of the account and tap Sign In. Step 8. Once done, you'll get a Your subscription has been updated screen. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.